What is regenerative agriculture and how to do it? Regenerative agriculture is a holistic approach to farming and ranching that seeks to rebuild soil health and ecosystem resilience, while also producing food, fiber, and other products. It is based on the principles of minimizing disturbance to the land, maximizing biodiversity, and using closed-loop systems to recycle nutrients and reduce the need for external inputs. There are a number of practices that are commonly used in regenerative agriculture, including cover cropping, planting a variety of crops in between seasons to protect the soil and add organic matter. Composting, using organic material, such as food waste and animal manure, to create a nutrient-rich soil amendment. Reduce tillage, minimizing or eliminating the use of mechanical tillage, such as plowing, to reduce soil disturbance and erosion. Planting a diversity of crops, growing a variety of crops in the same field, rather than monoculture, helps to build soil health and increase resilience. Rotational grazing, moving livestock to different pastures on a regular basis, rather than keeping them in one place, helps to prevent overgrazing and maintain soil health. Integrated pest management, using a combination of cultural, biological, and physical controls to manage pests, rather than relying on chemical pesticides. Water management, using techniques such as drip irrigation, mulching, and terracing to conserve water and prevent erosion. To implement regenerative agriculture on your farm or ranch, it is important to start by assessing the current state of your soil and ecosystem. From there, you can develop a plan that incorporates the principles and practices of regenerative agriculture and is tailored to the specific needs of your land and your operation. It may also be helpful to seek out training and resources from experienced practitioners, and to join a community of farmers and ranchers who are also interested in regenerative agriculture. Can I do regenerative agriculture in my garden? Yes, you can practice regenerative agriculture in your garden by incorporating some of the principles and practices mentioned above. Here are a few specific things you can try. Build soil health, use compost and cover crops to improve the structure and fertility of your soil. Avoid using chemical fertilizers and pesticides, which can harm soil microbes and damage soil structure. Plant a diversity of crops. Instead of growing just one type of vegetable, try planting a mix of annual and perennial plants, as well as edible and ornamental species. This will help to increase the overall diversity and health of your garden ecosystem. Use integrated pest management, look for natural ways to control pests, such as attracting beneficial insects, using physical barriers, and planting pest-resistant varieties. Conserve water, use mulch and other techniques to help retain moisture in the soil and reduce the need for irrigation. Minimize soil disturbance, avoid tilling or digging up the soil unnecessarily, as this can damage soil structure and kill beneficial microbes. Instead, try using techniques such as sheet mulching or lasagna gardening to add organic matter and plant seeds or seedlings without disturbing the soil. By implementing these practices, you can help to build soil health and increase the overall resilience of your garden ecosystem.